Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to convert DJVU to PDF in 2025. If you've ever dealt with those tricky DJVU files, think scanned documents or ebooks, you know they can be a hassle to open on every device. PDF, on the other hand, is the go-to format for compatibility and ease. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just organizing your digital files, this quick guide will have you converting in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is DJVU? It's a file format designed for compressing scanned images, but it's not as widely supported as PDF. Luckily, converting it is straightforward with a few modern tools. For 2025, we're focusing on free, reliable options that are user-friendly and secure. Step 1. Choose your conversion tool. I recommend starting with online converters like Zamzar or Convertio. These are free, no download required options that work on any device. If you prefer offline methods, download software like Calibre or Adobe Acrobat, which are updated with AI-enhanced features for better quality in 2025. Step 2. Upload your DJVU file. Once you're on the converter's website or in the software, simply select your file from your computer or cloud storage. Most tools allow batch conversions now, so you can handle multiple files at once. Game changer. Step 3. Customize your settings. In 2025, many converters let you adjust quality, page size, or even OCR for text-searchable PDFs. This ensures your final PDF is crisp and professional. Hit the Convert button and wait a few seconds. Speeds have improved dramatically with better internet and processing power. Step 4. Download and verify your PDF. Once it's done, save the file to your device. Open it up to check if everything looks good, no missing pages or blurry images. If something's off, try another tool or adjust your settings. A quick tip: always use reputable sites to avoid security risks, and keep your files backed up. There you have it. That's how you convert DJVU to PDF in just a few easy steps. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.